How to search Twitter post by date. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can search for a particular post on Twitter by date. Now to do so is quite simple. What you need to do is open up the Twitter app. Now you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the search bar or search icon that you'll find at the bottom of your screen. Tap on search, and here on search, now what you want to search in, if you want to search by date, is first type in from and use this mark right here that you'll find, and then type in the username of the person or the account that you want to search in. Now I'll just search in here this account, exclusive Messi, and then type in space and give space, and then again what you want to do is type in since, and again the same mark, and then type in the date that you want to view from. I'll just type in 2020 /10/11, and then again space, and then type in until, and again the same mark, and then again the date that you want to look up to, 2022 /10/11. Now if you type in all this correctly here, you can see from username, and then since the date that you want to look, and until the date that you want to look the post. Simply tap on search and you'll get the post if you typed in the correct information here. Now you can see there is no results from here because I just typed in wrong username here. So if you type in wrong username and if anything is mistake, you won't be able to find it. Simply type in correctly and then search it, and you'll be able to view it. So this way you can find or search Twitter post by date. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.